Okay, we're going to go ahead and start doing Delta Math assignments. This is going to be a great resource for you to be able to go in and practice um just different things that we're working on during the week. It's going to give you instant feedback if you're getting it correct or if you're not. So let's go jump in. I mean, I could keep talking about it, but let's just jump in. You're going to click on this link, the Delta Math assignment. You need to take this link here and you're going to copy just that little HTTPS copy. And let's come up here and put it in a new tab. All right, your page should look like this. You're going to come over here and click login. Now, you can log in with Google. You can use your Google school email. You do not do a personal email. I do not want Big Daddy 542 as your email. I want you to use your school email. Do not use a personal one. Okay, I've already got my account ready, so I'm going to log in. Now, your page should look like, I'm going to do second block, it's fine. It might ask you to do it is going to ask you for the teacher code. My teacher code is 555294. Type that in. And it's going to send you to my class. Now, when you get to that class, and if I'm talking too fast, always slow down or pause it, rewind it, whatever. You've got a list of assignments here. Okay, and you're like, Miss Cole, that's a lot of work. No, sweet friends. Look, you're going to go in here. You're going to click on these. Now, you've got to do 5 of each. I'll be able to check your grades and see if you've done 5 of each or not. And I'll show you that in a second. You're going to click here. You're going to work through this problem. You might need to do it on a sheet of paper. Okay, so if I would do h of -6, 2 negatives make a positive, positive 6 minus 4, my answer is 2. All right, I submit my answer. Are you sure you want to submit? I'm going to say yes. And I'm correct. Now, this is what I love about Delta Math. Ms. Chapman and I have talked about this numerous times, that this program will show you the steps on how to work this out. Your solution was correct because you got a green check. Okay, next problem. I do the same thing. F of 6, I plug in 6 for my x. So that's going to be -4. Okay, I submit my answer and I got another green check. So I'm doing pretty good here. Let's do one. I'm going to miss this one on purpose. All right, 3 times 3. Oh, let's say I say it's 6 minus 3 is 3. But what do we really know 3 times 3 is? Correct, we know it's 9. All right, but I'm going to go ahead and say, yes, I know. Okay, you have 1 attempt remaining. This is going to send back and let you go back in and work it again. It's going to get you to go in and think about it. Wait a minute, 3 times 3 is 9, but I'm going to leave my answer wrong because I want you to see. And look, even up here, it can show you an example on what you need to do if you get stuck. Okay, let me get back over here. I'm going to stick with my answer is 3. Submit answer. Okay, so I got an X. I'm so sad. But it's going to go through and show you what you did wrong. And show you like, oh, right here, that's where your answer should be. Okay, so you're going to go through it and work all of these. Now, on this parent function one, it's going to start, and you just have to go through and say which one of these is, oh, that one's wrong. It was signed. Oh, is it making you start over? Okay, I need to change that. All right, so you go through and you're just guessing on the functions and what they are. Sine, because cosine goes through, and this one is this one. All right, so once you get a 10 out of 10, you are good. You can stop. All right, so, and then the rest of them. Now, you saw it did not take me very long to get through these. I'm picking one randomly. These are not going to take long, guys. I promise. They're just click, going through, and then they're going to give you some feedback. Now, okay, I'm dragging a little bit on my video. You need to work 5 problems from each set. If you miss more than 3 in any section, we've got a disconnect. I need you to write out the sample problem on your sheet of paper, and you're going to turn that in to me. You'll need to turn that in as part of your grade. So when I go in and I look and I see that you've got 3 missing, I'm going to go get your paper, and I'm like, okay, he or she is trying to learn that. This is going to be due Friday at 3 o'clock. I'm going to simmer down on, especially for 4th block. 2nd block, I'm going to go ahead and keep on with your lessons. Let me think on y'all's and like how, because some of this stuff y'all haven't gotten to yet, but I still want you working on it. Okay, I hope this helps, guys.